Ryan, as you have been here for a long time, what are the tools that you've seen change and evolve in technology to support the recruiting role?
Sure. So, recruiting tech is a large industry. There's tons of companies out there, tons of companies that don't specialize in recruiting but have add-on solutions, like Salesforce has a bunch of add-ons. So it's a huge industry, and since I've been here over 6 years now, we've actually, are on our third applicant tracking system, and not, because the other two weren't good systems, but there's just new technology.
The game keeps going higher.
User-friendly stuff. So we're currently with Lever, which is great for what we do. Really customizable and again, user-friendly, for me and my recruiter, and just find it fits our business, appropriately. Video interviewing is huge nowadays. Like, there's a lot of remote positions, work from home, stuff like that. So companies are really using video interviewing, and a lot of these technologies, like the applicant tracking systems that I talked about, have those functionalities encased in it, where previously they were standalone, Skype or what have you. Another one, text recruitment is increasing a lot more. So no longer are people picking up the phone, even though we do, and it's still valuable for sure. But there's recruiters that the initial contact is come via text, and then you set up a phone interview via text and go from there.
So as an employer, how would you counsel recruiters to look at social media and other technology tools to advertise your company? I mean, that's changed as well. Where do candidates go to evaluate where they want to apply?
Good recruiters are the ones that, in my opinion, focus on the company brand first and promoting that and making sure it's visible to prospective candidates. Glassdoor, Indeed, some other vendors that we've trialed, Appcast, the Muse, which is a large, really content-heavy company and employer branding company. And then we have a marketing manager that does a great job as well, promoting us.
Fresh website.
Yep.
We're always up on social media, Instagram, Facebook. So there's a lot of places that people can kind of get a feel for what the culture is here and why they would or wouldn't want to be part of the team.